student, today we discuss the related topic of your specific speed related problem. The previous topic already discussed the specific speed. Now we discuss the specific speed problem. So this is your given your question number 4, that is the specific speed problem in your Kaplan turbine. So a Kaplan turbine runner is to be designed to develop 7357.3 kilowatt shaft power. The net available head is 5.50 meter. Assume that the speed ratio is 2.09 and flow ratio is 0.68 and the overall efficiency is 60%. The diameter of the boss is 1/3 of the diameter of the runner. Find the diameter of the runner, its speed and specific speed. This is the question given to you. In the previous video already discussed the question up to this. Up to this we can discuss, but we do not discuss the specific speed. In this question we can discuss the specific speed. So here is a similar step is there. We can define that. So going through this problem, first of all what to do? You have to, when you are getting a turbine problem, first of all you draw the velocity triangle diagram. Clear? So every problem in a turbine you have to draw the velocity triangle diagram, which will be support you to do the problem properly. So first of all, this is a velocity diagram for a Kaplan turbine. So here is your V1 velocity, which will go through the alpha angle, and U1 blade angle, and VW1 wheel velocity, and VR1 is your relative velocity, VF1 is your flow velocity, U1 is your blade velocity. So this is your flow of water through the outlet VR2, V2, VF2 already discussed in a previous description. Now when you finding a problem, first of all find a given, what is the given data. Look at here, what are the given data. So a Kaplan turbine runner is designed to develop what? Shaft power. You are already given shaft power or power is here 7357.3 kilowatt. This is your shaft power or output power is given. The net available head is 5.50 meter. 5.50 meter. So net head is your 5.50 meter. Assume that the speed ratio is 2.09. The speed ratio is given 2.09, which is related to your tangential velocity with respect to your tangential velocity flow. So U1 by root 2 G is your speed ratio, which is your 2.09. And the flow ratio is also given. Flow ratio is related to VF, so flow velocity with respect to this velocity, so that is your 0.68. And the overall efficiency is given 60%. So overall efficiency is here 60%. The diameter of the boss is 1/3 of the diameter of the runner. The boss diameter means what? dB is given 1/3 of outer diameter. If you look at the Kaplan turbine, there is a dB is there. That is called as boss diameter or half diameter. That is the 1/3 of your outer diameter du. You have to find du. So the diameter of the boss of the boss is 1/3 of the diameter of the runner. Find the diameter of the runner, its speed and specific speed. So you have to find what? This is given data. You have to find diameter of outer diameter, speed and specific speed. These are the important things you have to find from this problem. So going through this, find DO and NS. So first of all, what is given the data? Basic data is your overall efficiency. Using of overall efficiency, we can find the discharge value. So using this overall efficiency formula, the overall efficiency is your shaft power by water power. This is your shaft power by water power. In your given data, there is a given shaft power, that is your 7357.3 kilowatt. Now put the value of 7357.3 kilowatt. This is in a kilowatt. Now water power is your rho g QS. That is in a kilowatt. Also you can put this is in a kilowatt manner by 1000. Now we can find the Q value from this. So using of overall efficiency, you can find the Q value. So rho g QS is there, 1000 is there. So you can write 7357.3 into 1000 by rho g QS is your overall efficiency, that is given to you 0.68. 60%, that is you can also write 0.6. Now value put the 0.6 here. Now we find Q, so cross multiply Q here, and 7357.3 into 1000 by rho G. Rho value is your density of water, that is 1000, and gravitational is 9.81, and Q is there, so you can write 0.6 here, and head is your given, head is your 5.50. Now head is your 5.5. Now using this, you can find the value of Q. So 1000 cancel. So 7357.3, that is into 1000 by 1000, 9.81, 0.6.55. And from this you can find the value of Q, 27 meter cube per second. Using this you can find 227.27 meter cube per second. The Q value is from this, that is 227.27, and discharge is here, unit is a meter cube per second. Clear? Then after you find what? You are finding what? D0 value. So you have to need Q value here na. Now Q is your what? Area into velocity or flow velocity. Q is equal to area into flow velocity. So from this you can find non values are what? You only know the Q value. You don't know the area value. You also don't know the flow velocity value. But in your given data, there is a given flow ratio, that is your Vf by root 2 Gh is equal to 0.68. Using this relation, we can find the Vf value. Now find the using of speed ratio value, sorry, flow ratio. Vf by root 2 Gh is equal to 0.68, and now Vf is equal to 0.68 into root 2 Gh. From this you can find 0.68 into root 2 Gh, that is your 2 is your 2 into gravitational acceleration, that is a 9.81 into height, already head is given, that is a 5.5. Put the value 5.5. Now flow velocity is equal to 7.06 meter per second, because flow velocity is your meter with respect to time, that is your distance by time, and you can write meter per second. So this is your Vf value. Now you already know you have to find the D value from this. You know the value of Q and know the value of flow velocity. Using this you can find the diameter of the outer diameter from this. So you can find this outer diameter. So Q is equal to area into velocity. Area is equal to pi by 4. Outer diameter square minus half diameter or boss diameter square into flow velocity. Your formula is area into velocity, that is your area is your pi by 4. DO means diameter, outer diameter square minus half diameter square into Vf, that is your flow velocity. From this you can find the flow velocity. Now put the value here, and discharge already you have to find 227.27 meter cube. So you can write 227.27 is equal to pi by 4. So in your given data there is given half diameter or boss diameter is here 1/3 of outer diameter. Now put the value here also, do square minus dp, that is your do by p whole square into, there is a Vf value is there 7.06. Clear? Now using this relation we can find the do value. Now put the do value one side. So do square minus do square by 9 is equal to 227.27. So you have to find do square minus do square to the 9 is equal to 227.27. That is your pi by 4 is given. So you can write, here is a pi by 4, you can take common here, that is your 4 by pi, and here is a Vf is there, that is in the here side, so you can write this is your 7.06. So the value is your do square minus do square by 9 is equal to 227.27 into 4 by 7.06 into pi. Now put the value here. Write down here. So do square 9. Now 9 do square minus do square by 9 is equal to 227.27 into 4 by 7.06 into pi. This is your value. So do square, that is 8 do square by 9 is equal to 227.27 into 4 by 7.06 into pi. Now do square is equal to what? You can write this in this manner. So you can put this into 9 into 9 by 8. Now the value is here 227.27 into 4 by 7.06 into pi into 9 by 8. That is your 46.11. So you have to find DO value. So you can write DO square is equal to 46.11, or you can write DO is equal to root over of 46.11. That is your value is your 6.79 meter. Now the diameter of your outer diameter is your 6.79 meter. Clear? All of it. 6.79 meter. Now you find n, then after find ns. Now finding the value for n, if you find the value of n, you are required, there is a given data is the speed ratio is there given. Now using this speed ratio relation, you can find the n value. Now erase all the things. The relation is here, given speed ratio is equal to 2.09, or you can write q by root 2 gh is equal to 2.09, because u1 u2 is equal to u, that is in a Kaplan turbine. The u value is a constant, u1 is equal to u2 is equal to u. So you can write u by root 2 gh is here 2.09. Now u is here 2.09 into root 2 gh. So now 2.09 into gravitational acceleration, that is a 9.8 is here into 5.5. Now the value is here 1.71 is a meter per second. U is here in a speed ratio, that is speed is a distance by time. You can write 1.71 is a meter per second unit. Now using this relation, U is equal to what? Pi dn by 60. U is equal to pi dn by 60. So d is your outer diameter, you have to consider here do. So using this relation, you can find the n value. So if you find n, then n is equal to u into 60 by pi d0. Now you know the value of u, and already you have to find the outer diameter, that is 6.79. Put the value here. U is here 29.71 into 60 by pi into d0 is here 6.79. Value is here 61.06 rpm. The unit is a revolution per minute, so you can write 61.06 rpm. Now the value of n is given. Now you have to find what? Specific speed. So what is the formula of specific speed? So specific speed is here ns is equal to power root of the power into n by h to the power 5 by 4. ns is equal to root over power p into n by root over h to the power 5 by 4. You know the p value, n value and h value. Now putting these values here. So p is here, that is here 73557.3 root over into, you have to find n is just 61.06. You can consider this is 61 rpm, because other that you can consider 61 only. You only consider 61 rpm here. Into 61 by head is here given 5.5 to the power 5 by 4. Now to find the ns value is equal to, now the value is here 621.20 rpm. Using this we can also write 621 rpm. If this is above than 5, you can write 622. So this is all about the specific speed. So from this problem we have to find what? First of all find diameter, outer diameter DO and n, that is 61 rpm, and specific speed, that is 621 rpm. So using this both relation you can find the value. Similarly, in your problem you can also find different things like your efficiency of overall efficiency you have to find here, mechanical efficiency also can find, hydraulic efficiency also you can find. So using this relation you can find this. Now I am giving you some problem to solve this. After solve this you can comment on that. This is your given problem to solve all the students. So this is your problem, you have to solve and comment it. Thank you for watching.